to Siquijor!
Welcome to Siquijor, the Philippines' fast-rising tourist destination. Home to white sand beaches, lush waterfalls, historical sites, centuries-old treasures, and breathtaking views. Today, we'll take you on a tour to the top 10 famous destinations around the island.
We'll show you the fees, activities, our recommended accommodation, as well as travel tips to maximize your trip. Join us as we explore Siquijor, only here on
Traveling Brothers PH!
Siquijor is 45 minutes to 1 hour 30 minutes away from Dumaguete City by boat. Fare ranges from 200 pesos to 450 pesos. Tip: tickets sell out fast, so buy your tickets early or purchase them online via OceanJet. After a boat ride, you are now officially in Siquijor. Today, we'll explore Siquijor
DIY style.
When you're in Siquijor, it's best to rent a ride.
We rent a tuk-tuk for 1,300 self-drive.
Or 1,800 with a driver and a tour guide with the tuk-tuk.
Tip: rent your motorcycle or tuk-tuk at the Siquijor port, so you can immediately start your tour. Here are the 10 famous tourist spots in Siquijor.
First stop, Pitogo Cliff. Pitogo Cliff is located in San Juan, Siquijor, and is famous for its crystal clear ocean views. For just 30 pesos, you can explore the place and snap stunning coastal shots. Although it is a cliff jumping is strictly prohibited for safety purposes, but swimming is very much allowed. Tip: take your pictures on these stairs with the ocean as your background. Or avail of drone shots for a fee. You may also buy refreshments and souvenirs here. Next up, century-old Balete tree. The Balete tree and fish spa is another famous stop in Lazi, Siquijor. For just 20 pesos, you can marvel at the 400-year-old enchanted Balete tree and dip your feet into the natural spring for a fish spa. Locals say the Balete tree is home to mystical beings, making this stop both magical and relaxing. We are now going to Hapitanan Broom shot. This Instagram famous Broom shot tourist spot is located in Lazi. Entrance is free, but donations are welcome. Tourists flock to this place to pose like a witch on a flying broom. Go back! Go back! Tip: jump high to make your flying broom shot look realistic. You may also buy unique souvenirs here.
For barang tambal sa hilo.
Lazi Church and Convent. The San Isidro Labrador Parish was built in 1857. This Baroque-style church is among the oldest in the Philippines and is a cultural heritage site that's worth visiting. The Lazi Convent, on the other hand, was erected in 1887. It is one of the oldest stone convents in Asia.
Tip: wear modest attire when exploring the place. For just 30 pesos, you can tour the entire convent and glimpse upon life during the Spanish era. Cambogahe Falls.
Siquijor's most famous waterfalls is located in Lazi, Siquijor. To get to the falls, you need to pay 50 pesos and climb down 135 steps. Tourists visit Cambogahay to do the Tarzan swing and ferry walk, among others.
Cambogahay has 3 levels and has a distinct Gatorade blue color, which makes it best seen early in the day. For 50 pesos each, you can experience the Tarzan swing, ferry walk, or balsa ride. After Cambogahay Falls, we headed to our accommodation. We wanted to unwind and complete the rest of our DIY tour the next day. Aquamare Beach Resort is located in Sandugan, Larena, Siquijor. It is a family-friendly resort that has an exclusive ambience at affordable cost.
Okay, thank you. Come here na, baby. Come here, baby. Get inside now. Kay kapoy na. Let's rest na dayon. Come on, get inside.
Oh, this is too good.
Diba? We're excited to lie down. Kikapoy. Kikapoy.
That is insane, Goldie.
Hi. Wave sa wave. Hi, we're finally here. Okay, go, go, go.
Siquijor always has power interruptions. Tip: choose an accommodation with a standby generator. In Siquijor, stop by the Welcome to Siquijor and I Love Siquijor signs. And next to the I Love Siquijor sign is a picture-perfect playground.
Siquijor, you can find these animals sculptures for picture taking.
Okay, it's right next to the I Love Siquijor sign, and there are tortoise, or actually just one, elephant, giraffe, what other animals? There's a camel, snails, okay, dinosaurs. Ooh. It's a good place for taking pictures if you have kids.
Salagdoong Beach awaits in Maria Siquijor. For just 50 pesos, you can try cliff diving and swim in its clear waters. It has full resort amenities which makes it ideal for a full day beach trip.
Located at the center of San Juan town is Capilay Spring Park. Here you can swim for free in its spring pools. It is also a favorite local hangout spot.
Paliton Beach is a hidden gem in San Juan, Siquijor. It boasts of soft white sand, calm waters perfect for swimming or snorkeling, and one of the best sunset views on the island. This is Paliton Beach, and this is a mini version of Boracay. For just 20 pesos, you can enjoy swimming and camping here.
Paliton is a barangay in Siquijor, and this is dubbed as the Little Boracay of Siquijor because of its white sand and crystal clear waters. It is a public beach and it costs you 20 pesos for entrance fee. Out here you can see a lot of foreigners sunbathing, some locals and foreigners camping, and of course a lot of tourists enjoying the beach.
The sand in Paliton Beach is almost like Boracay's. You can have your pictures taken behind the sand sculpture for 25 pesos per person. Or try their famous swing for 50 pesos.
Whoa!
You can ride the swing while Paliton's human drones capture the moment.
There are also stalls selling refreshments and souvenirs. This is burikit, a delicacy of Siquijor. It's made of cassava.
Is it yummy? Like it. And it comes with latik. It's made of sugar.
It's too good.
And crunchy.
Paliton is fast becoming popular as Siquijor's Little Boracay due to its clear waters and fine sand. But of course, nothing beats the original.
Boracay still remains to be the world's best island destination, along with Palawan. But what exactly do Boracay and Palawan have that has made them the world's best?
Click on these videos and see for yourself.